In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and run Clawdbot on Windows with PM2 for 24/7 uptime. First, let's make sure your computer has everything it needs. You'll want Node.js LTS installed along with npm, which comes bundled with it. Open a terminal and check by typing node -v and then npm subv. If both return version numbers, you're good. Next, confirm git is installed by running git version. If any of these commands aren't recognized, install the missing tool before you continue. Finally, have your Discord bot token ready, but don't paste it anywhere publicly or share it with anyone. Now, let's open the command prompt. Press Windows plus R CMD and hit enter. Navigate to your Clawdbot folder using the cd command, for example, cd path /2 plus Clawdbot. Replace that path with the actual location of your project folder. Before starting the bot, check your configuration. If your project uses an .env file or a config.json, you can open it quickly by typing notepad.env or notepad.config.json. Make sure your Discord bot token is correctly set in the appropriate field and review any AI or custom settings your bot expects. Double check for typos, save the file, and close Notepad. Keep your token private at all times. If you haven't installed the project's dependencies yet, run npm install in the project folder. This pulls down everything the bot needs to run. Let it finish without errors before moving on. To start Clawdbot, type node-index.js. Watch the console carefully for any error messages. If everything loads correctly, switch over to Discord and you should see your bot appear online. If you do hit an error, read the message in the terminal. It usually points to a missing setting or a dependency issue you can correct in your config or package setup. If you want the bot to run safely and restart automatically, set it up with PM2. Install PM2 globally by running npm install pm2 then start the bot under PM2 with PM2 start index.js. Name Clawdbot. Save the process list with PM2 save and enable startup with PM2 startup. Depending on your system, you may be prompted for administrative permission. Follow the on-screen instructions. PM2 will now relaunch your bot if it crashes or after a reboot. To keep an eye on things,